Very few.
I love this restaurant. Their sandwiches taste great. Taste. Best. Taste.
Cool. How did it taste?
Yeah, but they tasted really awful.
Every time Mia orders food, she has to check the ingredients. If a sauce has milk in it, she can't eat it because she's allergic to milk.
I have very few ingredients, but I need to bake a cake for 10 people.
Okay, let's order one cheese pizza. Kevin and Ben are allergic to cheese, so we'll get a few hamburgers, too.
No thanks, I'm allergic.
Very few.
Oh no! I forgot about the chicken in the oven. Now it's black. It will probably taste terrible. Where's the phone number for pizza delivery?